Welcome to L5 Education Hub. You aim to become a resource for mastering Level 5 health and social care assignments. Our channel is dedicated to helping students excel in their studies by providing comprehensive tutorials, assignment writing tips, feedback utilization strategies, and much more. Join our community of learners and take your education to the next level. Yes, this channel is new, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's achieve academic success together. When discussing assignments, we refer to the units in your course, specifically from Unit 1 to Unit 29. Stay tuned so you don't miss any videos. We will show you how to write the assignment for each unit. And the great news is that you can scan the QR code to download the assignment for the unit you're working on. Just look for the QR code pop up during the video. Remember, using your own words for your assignments is essential, as our content is reserved, copyrighted, and protected. Welcome back to L5 Education Hub. Today's video will dive into the essentials of writing a high-scoring Level 5 health and social care assignment. Whether you're struggling with structuring your essay or looking for tips to impress your tutors, we've got you covered. We hope you enjoy the assignment that starts now.
1. Application of leadership and management-based theory. Leadership and management are an important aspect of business as it helps them to connect with the employees as well as the customers in order to work hard towards the organizational goals and objectives. Adams, 2018. Apart from that, it helps the manager to understand the conflict as well as issues that the employees are going through and hampering the overall growth of the organization. The current report structure is going to highlight the different aspect of the leadership and management skill that has impacted the overall health and social care sector in a significant way. 1.1 Evaluation of two theories in leadership and management. Leadership and management style plays an integral role in the overall growth of the organization. It plays an important role in the overall development of the employees in terms employee engagement and growth opportunities. Galensky and Hager, 2020. There are several leadership and management theories that cover the different aspects of the leadership and management style by covering its advantages as well as disadvantages altogether. The leadership and management style helps the leaders and manager to manage the employees by enhancing their skills and other aspects as well described below. Leadership and management theory. Trait theory. This leadership theory is a knowledge-based approach in order to define leadership quality. It states that there are several leadership qualities that an individual can develop in order to manage the team in an effective way and will impact the overall growth in a positive way. Uslu, 2019. Apart from that, it will help them to motivate the employees to work hard towards the organizational goal in order to drive maximum results. There are several characteristic traits of a leader such as honesty, enthusiasm, innovation, and more that helps the leaders to create enthusiasm among the employees to constantly improve their skill set and knowledge in order to excel at their job and drive maximum results for the organization. Also, they help the organization to share their mission as well as vision so that they can understand what is expected from them in terms of driving results. Harrison, 2018. Autocratic leadership theory. This theory explains the qualities of a leader where employees are ordered to do several tasks without involving them in the decision-making process. Although it helps the organization to drive the result, it affects the relationship maintenance process. Chakuza, 2018. As there are no feedback sessions, the companies fail to analyze the conflicts as well as issues that they are currently facing will impact the retention problem in the long term. Bureaucratic theory. This theory suggests that the company needs to have a hierarchical structure in order to manage the different organizational processes in an effective way. Apart from that, there are several rules that the employees as well as higher authority need to maintain so that the work environment gets better. Dash and Poddy, 2020. Apart from that, it is the responsibility of the manager to identify the key strengths and weaknesses of the employees and divide the work equally so that they can work at their peak potential and can impact the overall growth of the organization in a significant way. Human relation theory. Human relation theory works on the basis of the social structure at work that helps the organization to build a healthy work environment. Yedin and Rian, 2021. Above all, this theory talks about the importance of the employee attitude. interpersonal relationship, and more that helps the organization to motivate the employees to work hard towards the overall growth and profitability of the organization. 1.2 Theoretical models of leadership and management in adult care provision. Transformational leadership can be described as the leadership style where leaders help the employees to bring changes so that they can cope up with the challenges that come along with the organizational processes and impact the overall growth of the organization in a significant way. Siang-Chokyu et al., 2020. This kind of leadership style works best for the healthcare sector as new problems arise on a daily basis and the staff needs to have that skill as well as knowledge which will help them to deal with the problems that are coming along the way. That is why leaders use this leadership style in order to collaborate with the staff in order to find the ways through which they can satisfy the needs of the service users, as well as the organizational requirements in a significant way. For example, NHS being one of the top leading organizations in the healthcare sector has to go through several challenges. NHS.UK, 2022. The current endemic situation has led them to go through severe problems that they have to handle, and the transformational leadership style has helped them to enhance the inner motivation of the staff along with the enhancement of the skills set, which played a key role in the overall growth of the employees. Rational goal model mainly focuses on identifying the best possible method in order to solve any organizational problems. Apart from that, it focuses on hiring high-skilled employees within the organization who can deliver maximum results for that organization. Moreover, employee training is an integral part of the overall model. Tonkov et al., 2021. For example, in the recent pandemic situation, the registered manager has used this model in order to enhance the skill set of the staff so that they can bear the challenges that has come along with the pandemic in terms of taking care of the service users. 1.3 SWOT Analysis of additional leadership and management theories. Although the transformational leadership model and rational goal model both have several advantages, there are several potential conflicts that can arise which can hamper the operational efficiency as well as the organizational growth. For example, transformational leadership makes the employees go through severe hard work which sometimes leads to burnout, and leaving the organization hampers the efficiency of the organizational systems and processes. On the other hand, a rational goal model entertains rational decision-making that is quite different from intuition decision-making and produces a minimum result in terms of desired outcome. SWOT Analysis of Democratic Leadership. Strengths. Weaknesses. Enhances the creativity of the employee. Communication is the key strength of these types of leadership skills. Hilton et al., 2021. Sometimes decisions made by the leaders are time-consuming. It requires highly skilled people in order to execute the strategies. Fakri et al., 2021. Opportunities. Threat. It provides great opportunity to increase employee engagement as leaders provide necessary flexibility which employees can take advantage of and misuse that. Table 1. SWOT Analysis of Democratic Leadership. Source. Created by Learner. SWOT Analysis of Human Relation Model. Strengths, weaknesses. Enhances the employee productivity. Enhances employee motivation, works on the basis of the theoretical concept. Sometimes the theory fails to analyze the situation in a subjective way. Who, 2021. Opportunities. Threat. It can increase the efficiency of the organizational processes. If managers fail to use the resources efficiently, it can hamper the overall organizational process in a significant way.
Hi. This tutorial explains how to write the Unit 1 DILMAC 1A Leadership and Management essay. Understand the application of theories. Don't forget to scan the QR code displayed to download the complete assignment. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. If you found this assignment helpful, your feedback means the world. Please share it. See you all in the next video.